What's up, you RPM dependianites? I finally decided to stop being lazy. We're gonna do that radio interface. It's probably not what it's called. I'm gonna call it a tombstone because that's what they're called, Miatas. And that's a cooler fucking name. And it kind of reminds you, if you kind of look at it the right way, well, tombstone top kind of circle, but this is just square and has a lip. But I've already looked it up. I've already been overthinking it, thinking I'm gonna snap some plastics, thinking I'm gonna snap some fucking snaps. It's probably not gonna happen. This is probably the easiest part of this whole shit, is just taking it out. But I got the other thing right here, and like I said, my one that is in there right now, these lights don't work. Hard to tell because I got the brightness so down, but the lights behind these don't work, so I can never tell what the fuck I'm actually on. I gotta click on the light every time when I'm in the dark driving. And then once I get it out, I gotta change out that, or not just that, but like that entire thing. Just change out that. I should probably hit this thing with air, just because it's kind of fucking dirty. It did come out of a junkyard, so. Alright, I'm gonna put this in the back seat. You guys are gonna see me attempt to get these clips out, but we'll see. Okay, I hope that angle works pretty good. It looks kind of decent to me. Video, I don't know, you guys might have seen the same video, but he starts here. I don't know if I want to start there, because just looking at where the clips are on the old one, or like the one that's going in, you can tell where. It's just here in the bottom. But the other thing too is, I know that this fucking thing has been taken out before, because I can lift it right here, which is probably where I should just start. So let's just start. There goes one clip, another, and we're out. I was overthinking the fuck out of this, and that was literally just 10 seconds. And now I gotta unplug everything. God damn it. This is gonna be difficult. I remember unplugging everything out of the fucking wrecked car in the junkyard we were at, but we didn't really give a fuck when we were doing it. So this one needs to go a little smoother. There's one. That was the traction control and all that other shit up at the top. I need to vacuum this out too, because my god, this shit's crusty. There's the climate. I wish I could tape these off or something, because I hope I don't fuck it up and not realize where I unplugged shit at. Once again, like every video, I pick some of my nicest clothes to do car work on, because I'm fucking stupid. Alright. Fan speed. She's out. There she blows. Chrome to be gone. Let's just take a side-by-side comparison look. Watch it not work, because these are different part numbers. This is 870AI and this is 870E. That could just be a color. I don't fucking know. I'm just taking a look at everything. Piece of junky ass radio. Well, if it's junky, why don't you replace it? Why don't you pay for it? Actually, I did try to replace it like years ago, but the radio I had, this whole shit is so fucking stupid, and how these, like, they just ruin everything you want to do for radios. But let's get this bitch in. Well, let's take this bitch out. How do we take these out? I don't even know. Oh, there's clips, I think. I don't know, it doesn't look like it. Oh, they are. You get your trusty, oh yeah, you get your trusty, like, flat, whatever the fuck you call these, and then with the tape on it so it don't scratch a bunch of shit. Because I don't have any plastic molding ones. How the fuck do you get this out? That's great. There's something moving around in the inside of this. God knows what that could fucking be. I think I need pliers. Really hard to see, but the little clips next to the little square. This looks like a fucking nut thing you screw off almost. So I'm gonna try to screw that off. And this clip here is fucking broke. But it doesn't matter, this is the old one. I'm only trying to get out. Fuck me. Give me it! There, alright. Bent out. I'll be selling this in the Dodge Magnum forums. $250. No. If you legitimately need this that fucking bad, message me. Oh, and I just... Can you give me it? What the fuck is your deal? Shit on my pant legs is annoying me. I gotta hop out and brush. Alright, how does this bitch come out of here? These are definitely fucking bolts. I don't know if I've ever seen a video of someone doing this on YouTube, so this could be a first. All I'm doing is just fucking unscrewing this whole, just a little bar where you can turn on your wiper, your traction control, the seatbelt light, whatever the fuck that thing is doing, even though it's recalled and it never goes away. There she blows. We got it out. It's fucking dirty as fuck. Now there's nothing else I will be keeping off of this. This should just kinda... Oh, I did fucking break it. Whoops. Well, that was an accident. I genuinely feel like it was slightly cracked to where you couldn't see it, but I'd noticed it one time. Because like I said, somebody had fucking pulled this shit off here before, because motherfucker had to have had a sub in it when I bought it, or before it, because I bought it from a dealership in Macon, Missouri, and it was pretty sure it was living in Columbia. But when I got it, there was like all these wires that run to the battery for subs and all the back, and I just took them shits out. Down here, there's 2 screw holes, like there's holes where screws were that are like this far apart. I want to assume that was some stereo bullshit. All that had been pulled back a little bit, so I'm gonna assume there was radio in it. This is done. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do with this. I'll set it next to my racing wheel so it'll feel like I'm actually driving something. Now the part that I've been waiting for. Oh wait, fuck me, we gotta do this again. Damn it. Here's something I just thought of. I have no idea if the lights behind this one even work. Ta-da! Damn, my button looks so much better than the one I got from the junkyard. Just look at the fucking faces of them. Why? Like, I guess I said it in the video before, but why in the world? Oh god, I'm holding the camera in my elbow, so why in the world would you ever be pressing the airbag button? That's what I'm wondering. Unless you were going over to press this, but this one isn't even wore off. Hazards. Fucking Dodge, clearly. Sitting on the side of the road a bunch. Haha, am I right? Fuck me. I said I was gonna wipe this. Let's do it now. Fuck me and drop it. Alright. Now I gotta throw the... What am I gonna call this? I'm gonna call it a keypad. I'm gonna throw the keypad back in now. All of this is me assuming and hoping that all of this is going to be plug and play. I'm just going to plug it in and it's going to fucking work. That or it's going to brick my car. Oh my god, no, this is going to be just fucking awful to get back in. How am I going to screw this bitch? I need smaller pliers, honestly. Screw sucks. Just go in. She's in there. Oh. Here's one part I could have fucking did. Alright, camera randomly stopped recording. Here's one thing I could have did. I could have took the vents from that, put it on this, because one of the vents is actually, or 2 of the vents are actually fucking broken. Oh, I still got time. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. So if you want these vents that are really broken, $225. Another time lapse. Kick it. That's what it should be. Now, moment of truth. Let's put it back in. Or maybe I should test it before I put it back in, you know, and just plug it in a little bit. Well now I'm really fucking wondering, what did I unplug this out of? I don't even see what it goes to. There's nothing on the old one that looks like it went to. Maybe I should go back on the footage and look. I'm gonna do that real quick. So it was nothing, I guess. It wasn't ever connected to anything, I don't know. At least not in the video. I couldn't tell myself pulling this out of anything. So, we'll just go ahead and get into it. Okay. Okay, she's sitting there right now. It's all plugged in. CD spun, even though there's not one in it. Will my hazards work? Yes, they're working. How about the traction control? That went off. Alright. My mirror fucked up a little bit ago, and I just got it back to where it's normal, but we'll test it. We'll go ahead and... Yeah, she works. Alright. Oh, God, stop. Alright, she works. Turn the light on. It's about the only way I'm going to be able to tell until it's later tonight. And I can't see anything, so I'll wait till later tonight. I know, you're on. Yeah, that worked. But there's the radio. Looks a lot better than the Chrome did. Oh God, drop the camera. Here, let me pick up the Chrome, set it next to it. And there's where she was. I think I like it better. But let's get it in all the way and you can really tell what it's like with it in. Simple as that. Yeah, says the guy who put it off for a fucking month and didn't do it because it was so hard in his head. But we did it. It's done. It looks better. The buttons, great. All that. Hopefully these lights work at night tonight. But other than that, if you guys liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys like the color change. Let me know if you like Chrome and why you do or don't. I don't know. I just don't like it because I think it's girly. Why I have that bias, I don't know. I think I was watching some TV show as a kid and some guy said Chrome is girly, and that just kind of stuck with me because it was a girl's car he was talking about on the show. So I don't know. Just unbiased opinions. I don't know. It's my opinion. But if you guys liked the video, want to give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a dislike. If you didn't like it, give it a comment. If you did, give it a comment. Either way, it's all traction. I appreciate it all. Thanks for checking out the video. Thanks for staying to the end. If you guys like the rest of the channel, please subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell so you know when we're uploading, because it's rarely at this point. It's all on me. Not sure what the next thing's going to do because this put me off for a little while, but it's done. And appreciate you guys. Thanks. Peace. Have a good one.